A very warm and refreshing good morning to one and all present here. I am Sonu, and today I am going to speak about the importance of artificial intelligence. So, first of all, as we know, artificial intelligence is one of the most significant technological development in the modern era. Artificial intelligence is used in various fields such as education, healthcare, industries, businesses, agriculture, in transportation, and even also used in environment sector. First of all, I would like to clear what is artificial intelligence. So it refers to the ability of computer systems and machines to perform tasks that normally requires human intelligence, such as learning, thinking, problem solving, decision making, and understanding the language. And artificial intelligence has brought many advantages for the society, but it has also many disadvantages. So it is important to us to understand both the things, the advantages and the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So firstly, I would like to explain my thoughts about the advantages of artificial intelligence. So one of the biggest advantages of artificial intelligence is is that it reduces human effort and it reduces human efforts and increases efficiency. Machines powered by AI can work continuously without getting bored or tired, and unlike humans, they do not need rest, sleep, or breaks. And this helps industries and organizations to improve their productivity and complete tasks faster and more accurately. Uh, Artificial intelligence is also useful in healthcare sector. Artificial intelligence helps doctor diagnosing the medical data in X-rays and reports. It is also useful. It also AI is also used in robotic surgeries, medical imaging, and monitoring patients. AI-based machines, AI-based systems can store a large number of data about the patients and help doctor make better decision about the patients, and which ultimately saves the human's life. And so through this, we can understand that artificial intelligence is very important for us. AI also plays an important role in education. Many online teaching tutors use AI to provide a personalized learning experience to their students, and AI can analyze a student's strengths and weakness, and according to their strengths and weakness, they provide their study materials to students. AI is also useful in customer service, like many chatbots and virtual assistants provide quick response to customer queries at any time of the day, and this saves time for both customers and companies and improves overall customer service quality. The another advantages of artificial intelligence is its efficiency and reduces errors, and also its accuracy. Like artificial intelligence follow programmed instructions and think logically, not emotionally. So they think logically according to the data, and this reduces and minimize the chances of mistakes. And this abi- and this ability also useful in fields such as banking, accounting, and scientific research, where even a small mistakes can lead to a serious problem. And artificial intelligence is also useful in performing risky and dangerous tasks, like in mining, space exploration, bomb disposal, and in disaster management. Uh, Artificial intelligence work in such environment that are not safe for human beings. And artificial intelligence is also plays a vital role in navigation to find us.
Only please, not is play.
Artificial intelligence also plays an important role in navigation to find shortest and fastest routes. It's also useful in transportation. In this modern world, many automation vehicles are developed with the help of artificial intelligence, and which saves our life and the time. Earlier it takes many times to go another countries, but now with the help of AI and also with the help of science and technology, we can go here and there. Despite its many advantages, it has also many disadvantages, and we should also understand them. One of the biggest concern is unemployment. Many machines powered by AI and robots replace human effort from the offices, companies, farms, and shops, and this can increase unemployment and can create economic problem, and it's not useful for us. And AI work according to the data and instructions given by them. But in a case, if the data is incorrect, so the result produced by AI can also be wrong, and so the data the data we give to them it's should be correct, and otherwise it can cause many problem, we face in 2020, like coronavirus, where scientists provide wrong data to their machines, and they spread coronavirus throughout the world. And AI also make laziness. They increase laziness among humans and make laziness among make lazy and overly dependent on machines. Like excessive use of artificial intelligence decrease and minimize humans' skills and intelligence.
Use of decreases or minimizes. Fifth form of verb.
Decreases and minimizes the humans' skills and intelligence. And to solve any problem, they use artificial intelligence. They do not use their minds to solve the problem, but any situation came, they use artificial intelligence, and they do not use their minds. So it's overly dependent on artificial intelligence is not useful for human beings. Another disadvantages of artificial intelligence is it's also in
Disadvantage of
another disadvantage of AI is it's also encourages inequality.
It also encourages.
It also encourages inequality.
Not encourages. Encourages.
Encourages encourages equality. Like those countries who have better technology and
Which have.
better technology, they can use better artificial intelligence, and this can increase gap between rich and poor nations. And and security and privacy issues are another area where it cannot useful for us. Like if the data, like we know our AI systems store a large number of personal data. If the data is hacked, then it can create personal violence.
Always say data, not data. Data.
Data, okay. And uh, artificial intelligence, with the help of AI, people make fake videos, photos, and it can also make cyber attacks. So it can create fear and disturbance in society, so it's not useful for us. So as a conclusion, I would like to say that instead of replacing human beings, we should use artificial intelligence as a as a supporting tool for human beings, to assist human beings, not to replace human beings. So thank you for listening.
Okay. Very good.